I love the way you activate hips and push your ass out. Gotta put it on this, so rap about to pass out. On the lead, but I can't even lie about it. Just alleviate your clothes on the fly about it. You at the club, your hips got me feeling body talking quick and get what I think I'm bringing in a minute. Know if you wanna roll with me, then get some chance to win 80 on the freeway. Ask me if you can, but Kiki, I'm a rider, still I'm just a...
Oh, hi. I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. Now, this technique exercise is really cool because it works on articulation and evenness of sound, which is something I'm very particular about in my own classes. I like musicality to be the center of what we work on. And practicing even sounds is at the heart of practicing musicality. So it's a really good exercise for that. It's also good for weight shifting because at some point you're going to need to make sure that your weight is in your standing leg because you won't be able to put your working leg down for a little extra time than expected. So it's a great exercise for that. But also today, the day that this has come out, is Sean's birthday. So Sean is my fiance and my best friend, and on special days I tend to try to make sure that whatever I'm putting out that day goes with that special day. So today's exercise we are going to be using a Tupac song because Sean is a huge Tupac fan. Now I know, scandal of the century, I'm actually a Biggie Smalls fan and he's a Tupac fan. So I know we can't work, but we make it work somehow. So today we're going to be using a Tupac song. It is the clean version, so do not worry. And let's go ahead and get started. And please, everyone in the comments, wish Sean a happy birthday. He spells it S-E-A-N, just in case anyone was curious. But please wish him a happy birthday, because it would mean the world to him and to me. Thanks. So, this exercise, it's actually pretty simple, but it's repetitive. So you have two paradiddles, 1 E and 2 E. Then you have what I like to call like an encore paradiddle situation. So you had your two paradiddles, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then you have dig, spank, heel to the front, dig, spank, heel, so it's just 1, 2, 3. Then you have shuffle, heel to the side, then toe, heel to the back. So it's a little encore situation. Dig, spank, heels to the front, shuffle, heels to the side, toe, heels to the back. So that one is 5 and 6 and my counts were really off, but you know what I mean. So that part is paradiddle, paradiddle, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Fantastic. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, 2. Dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, toe. So you want to make sure your weight's on that standing leg. Now, you do it again. You repeat that 3 times total. You do it 3 times total. So let's do it 3 times total. And it doesn't change feet yet. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Again. 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. One more time. Fantastic. So you're there at toe heel. Then you do one more encore. So there's that extra amount of time. You're going to have to make sure that your weight is in your left leg. So that's your second one, and you finish it off with step, heel, stamp. And that allows you to switch feet. So the whole combination is the paradiddle, paradiddle, encore 3 times. 1 extra encore, step, heel, stamp. So it looks like this. Let's just try it together, just follow along, and then we'll do it again for real. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Encore. One more time. Step, heel, step. And that's the whole exercise. So balance and keeping those sounds even is so difficult. All right, so let's try that one more time, and then let's try the left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. left side. So now you want to be shifting your weight into the right leg. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 7, 6. My watch was like trying to talk to me during that. All right, so shall we try right and then left? Once you do that step, go step, go step, you hold 8 and then you start on the left. So it'll be 5 and 6 and then hold 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shall we try right and left? Let's go just a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and. Ready? Right to left. We got this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 7, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crazy exercise, right? All right, let's try it to some music. Hopefully this tempo isn't too bad. I think. Okay, it's a little bad. It's a little bad, but I'm fixing it. Do not worry. What I love about YouTube, and I'm leaving this in the video so that I can like really remind you, if you use YouTube on a computer, you have the ability to change the tempo in increments of like 0.05. So I can take it from, well, I guess it'd be 5%. So I can take it from 100% tempo to 95% tempo to 90% tempo. If you're on your phone, you can only do 100, 75, 50. So it's a little harder. Let's try it. Let's try it. 5 and the 60 and the 7 and the 8. Okay? It'll be a little fast, but we'll be okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I love the way you act with your kids. Push your ass out. Got a problem on this. So bad about the dance. I'm holding me too. And I can't even lie about it. Just alleviate your clothes on the fly about it. You at the club. Yeah, this got me feeling body talking quick. But I think I'm bringing them in. Know if you wanna roll with me. Here's some chance you when they be on the freeway. Ask me if you can. But Kelly, I'm a rider. Still just a simple man. All I want is money plus the.
Not bad, right? All right, let's try it again. Let's try it again. We'll do it one more time at that tempo, and then we'll try to take it to the full tempo. Why not? Why not? What's the worst that happens? It's terrible, and then we slow it down again? It's fine.
Coming up.
Hear that subdivision before we start.
Tell me how you want.
Okay. Ready? 5, 6, 5 and the 60 and the 7 and
I
the
love
8.
the way you act with your kids. Push your ass out. Got a problem on this. So bad about the dance. I'm holding me too. And I can't even lie about it. Just alleviate your clothes on the fly about it. You at the club. Yeah, this got me feeling body talking quick. But I think I'm bringing them in. Know if you wanna roll with me. Here's some chance you when they be on the freeway. Ask me if you can. But Kelly, I'm a rider. Still just a simple man. All I want is money plus.
Okay, let's try it at the full-fledged tempo. Again, what's the worst that happens? We fail, and then try it again, or do it at a slower tempo until we're ready? That's literally the worst that happens. It's good to push yourself, especially when you are in the privacy of your own home and doing it on YouTube. It's harder to push yourself in class when people are watching, I know. But like, this is YouTube. Hopefully, or even if you're in a class, hopefully everyone is supportive and would never judge when somebody fails, because a classroom is where we are supposed to fail. And since this is my studio and my classroom, I am totally allowed to fail in here. But because I am the teacher, I probably shouldn't.
Coming
20 and a 20
rubbing
and
the
a
cash
50 and
can.
a 40 and a 50 and a 60 and a 7 and a 8. There's your tempo, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 5 and a 60 and a 7 and
I
a 8.
love the way you act with the kids. Push your ass up. Gotta bring the boom. It's so bad about the pass up on the deep. And you can't even lie about it. Just alleviate your clothes on the fly about it. You at the club. You guys got me feeling body close to go. But I think I'm bringing it me. Now if you wanna roll with me, we get some chance. You and Daddy on the freeway. Ask me if you can. But Kitty, I'm a rider. Still just a simple man. All I want is money plus the.
Well, I hope you guys had a blast doing this with me today. I'm really happy that I found a copyright-free version of a Tupac song that I could use today, because I do love doing everything I can to celebrate people's birthdays. I mean, especially Sean. So please give him a little happy birthday shout out in the comments if you can. Yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this. I love exercises like this. I hope that this proved useful to you for weight shifting and for just musicality training in general. I have a hair and I don't know where it's coming from. Like, which side of my head are you from? Middle part woes. All right, well, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We have technique exercises like this, step tutorials, choreography tutorials, and I put out new videos at least twice a week, most of the time 3 times a week, usually about 4 videos a week. 2 videos on Saturdays, most of the time. So lots of free tap dance content for you. I am your free tap dance teacher, free tap dance studio, right here on YouTube. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then also hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this, and thumbs up for Sean's birthday. Thumbs up and a comment for Sean's birthday. If you have a unicorn emoji, put that down with the happy birthday too for him. He loves unicorns. It's just a thing. He just loves unicorns. So yeah, I really had fun with this today. Happy birthday, Sean, and thank you for dancing with me.